painting. Good. Starting here would be easier if we paint in there first. You know? So I'm going to get mine done. I'm doing the purple one.
So I'm going to do the rest of the pine cones.
Look what I'm doing. Oh, you can dip these in the paint because we're going to paint the entire thing. You got to get all inside here. See? Look. Got to get all in there and paint.
I know.
So see, y'all, we're getting all inside in here to paint because I dripped the paint.
Well, can I use a small paintbrush for the inside?
Sure. Here. You want that one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm just going to sit down.
Okay. So I found, you know where I found these pine cones? In the backyard. Remember how I wanted them to fall off the tree?
Yeah.
And I found some on the ground.
Really?
Yeah.
Spiky?
Yeah. And I cut off I cut off the branches that they were attached to. And I washed them in vinegar and warm water to get any little buggies and stuff out of there that were living in there. I don't want any little buggies.
No, I love bugs.
You like...
But not huge bugs. I like little bugs.
Little bugs?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
No, when I went out of the blue paint, can you give me some more?
Yes, I can.
No, I'm running out of paint right now.
No, you're not running out of paint. You got a lot of paint in there. And we're going to make these into ornaments to hang on my little tree for Easter. So we're going to pretend like they're little eggs.
And pine cones.
Yeah, well, they're pine cones.
Pine cone eggs.
Pine cone eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, you could do these with bigger pine cones if you want to, right?
Yeah.
If you have a bigger tree. But I have a little tree here, so I don't need big ones. A big one. Now, once you get it all painted, like I do, mine's all painted, I did purple. I'm going to take white glitter. And I'm choosing white just because I don't need any colors. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on this, just to give it...
Noah, can I take mine home?
Well, I need it for my tree, girlfriend.
But you know you could do... No, you know
And you shake it off. So it'll dry. You see how it looks glittery in there? And we're just going to set it off to the side and let it dry. See? Isn't that easy?
Yeah. Wait, no. Why is this paper?
That's mine. That's what I was using.
Oh, I thought it was...
You gotta dab it like this to get the paint off of it. You're using the big one?
Mm-hmm.
And then remember, take the water off of it. Okay. I got paint on the table. I'm sloppy.
Yeah, but I'm not.
You're not? Oh, goodness. Sorry. And so we're doing, you can do them any colors you want. We have some pink, we have some yellow. Oh, I said that backwards. Purple, green, and she's got blue. Oops. Look, I stuck my fingers in the paint. Goodness gracious. So, let's see. We got 4 colors and we got 7 pine cones. Should I do another purple one?
You could do one that's pink, I think.
Well, I got some purple, so I'll do this little baby one.
Yeah. Make sure you save one. No, a baby one for me to do it.
Yeah, well, we can always look for more pine cones too. Not that we don't have a lot of pine cones in the backyard.
Oh, there's go on my dress. On my sleeves.
Okay, you gotta be careful.
No, because it's like a messy project.
Well, that's why you have an apron on. Right? How's your pine cone going?
Good. Look at my bottom.
Ooh, bottom's good.
Yeah. No, I got a good idea.
What's right?
We can put the glitter on there, dunk the pine cones so the glitter will come on it.
Well, it's easy just to, we don't want a lot of glitter.
But I was
Not,
there.
no, because it's not Christmas time. Don't need a lot of glitter on them. We just need some, give it a little shine.
But you know I want a lot of glitter on mine so I could take it home. For my Christmas tree.
Do you have a Christmas tree up for an Easter tree?
Yeah, a big one.
At Christmas time?
I know, but that's why I need pine cone to be my ornament for Christmas. And I'm going to cut the stick on top to...
Oops.
That's why I need a lot of glitter on mine.
Glue?
Glitter.
Glitter? Oh, okay.
That's why I need a lot on mine. Because I love glitter on lots of stuff.
And there's another little baby one.
Hey Noah,
Little baby.
I want you to hold my pine cone so I don't get like the rest of my skin.
You want me to finish this one and you do another color?
No, I just want you to hold it.
Well, I'm not going to have you paint it as I hold it.
I know, because I don't want my rest of my skin to get painted.
Why? It washes off.
No, but I don't
Put some
want...
more paint on your brush.
I know.
So you put a lot on. Makes it easier.
Yeah. I'm just going to...
Don't worry about the paint. Wash it off all at the end.
No, but I'm just picking it off a little bit.
Well, you need water to pick it off. Soap and water. Maybe a little scrub brush. What's going to be your next color?
Pink. Mine.
Okay. You got a pine cone.
Yeah, see? You did stuck
No,
it.
don't put your fingers in there because you get glitter all over your fingers.
Glitter, not
Okay, leave the tape where it was because I need that for the glitter jar. How come I'm painting yours?
Yeah.
How come? But you're supposed to be painting it.
I know, but I can't, like, get the inside of it with the little one like this. I mean, like, the red one. That little gluey red one, because it has a metal tip.
Oh, is that the reason?
Yeah, that's what it is.
All right, how's that?
Good.
Okay, you want to do some glitter?
Yeah, we need to put a whole bunch on it for my collection. I'm just going to dunk it in there.
No, you're not going to dunk it because you can't dunk it.
Then I want a lot of glitter on mine.
Oh, this is going to be fun.
I want like a lot.
It is alive, trust me. Perfect. Look at a little blue one, see? All right, what's your next color?
Pink.
All right, let me go wash my hands because I got glitter and glue and paint and stuff tomorrow. All right, clean out the toothbrush. The paintbrush is really good.
Okay. Just move my pine cone. Mine is all done. Mine is all done.
No, you gotta make sure you gotta dab it in here. Dab it. Dab it, dab it, dab it, dab it, dab it. And you take it and you roll it in there. Okay. You're doing pink?
Yep. I want to do it.
Okay, now you're gonna paint this whole one by yourself.
Okay.
No, put the paintbrush in. Okay. Oh. Okay. Start with that.
Do I have my paper?
It's right there.
Oh.
You want to try a square one?
Yeah. I just got.
Okay, we'll use the paint on that. If you want to try a different one, you can. A different paintbrush.
I want this a quick brush.
to do green.
Yeah, do green.
Thank you. I'm going to do this one in green. Where's my paintbrush? Okay. This is why you have a lot of paper towels laying around. Ooh, that's a pretty green. Look at that one. Ooh. You see? There you go. All right, so we're going to finish up painting these, and when they all dry, we're going to come back and then put all the ribbon on it, okay?
Wait, I thought we'd go...
Well, we got to put something to hang them on. Hang it from.
I know which color I want.
Well, we'll do that. We'll decide that later,
blue.
okay?
I want blue.
All right, say goodbye.
Because I want to leave.
Say see you later.